Hello Vision Therapy friends. This is Tom Headline and this is our third episode in our video series about our Headline Vision Enterprises products. Today I wanted to discuss our stereoscope card set that we have. I'm not going to go through all of the cards that we have, but I'd like to go over some features that each of the cards has. So you might be interested in incorporating some of these into your patient's training. These cards do fit into a biopter or a standard stereoscope. You could also put them into a telebinocular if you wanted to. Another nice thing about these cards is you could use them as free space fusion cards. So a patient could converge their eyes to put the two images on top of one another and then create that magic third image in the middle. That would then be a combination of the two cards. So you notice on this card here that we have similar colors on each one except for in these boxes. So when these boxes combine, you would hopefully get a lustrous appearance where you'd get the yellow and the blue combining to sort of form a greenish color on this one. On a card such as this, you sort of have like a Worth 4 dot sort of situation. So the patient could fuse these together to get that simultaneous perception of the crossing on each image there, and then they would get the heart and house shape and triangle and plus to appear in the full field, as well as the how many do you see. And then if you look closely, you'll see the diagonal lines that go in the background, so they get a nice little retinal rivalry as well. On this card here, you can see this is a more complex card. They would be fusing the two large kind of cross shapes on there, and they would then get the two charts to fully complete. And this chart here has numbers as their target, so the patient could read the numbers going across. You could have them do saccades, a lot of different types of techniques you would like to do. And on the outskirts here, again, you have like a retinal rivalry situation going on. This here would be a letter chart. So again, they would put those two images together, and then they would form, the full chart having all of the letters on it. So you can see here you got the D that would correspond to the D in this one, but then they have to fill in the rest of the chart with the other I essentially. You get a lot of different types of techniques that you can work on also. So here you could use B's, D's, P's, and Q's. So if you have a patient who needs some assistance with B, D, P, and Q type activities, you could use this target, and then they would be able to tell you what the character is. You could also have them do left and right type of responses with where the bubble is, if it's on the right side or left side of the stick. So you could even do slap tap type activities with this as they're also performing binocularity. And then here, we have our Kirschner arrow kind of chart as well. So here they would have to fuse the charts and then read them and tell you which direction the arrows are pointing. So again, a whole host of different types of activities that you can do, kind of a multiple number of techniques all at one time. So I do hope that you'll check out our stereo vision cards. They're on the Bernell website, and we'll have the link attached to the video here, so you can go view them for more inquiries. If you have any other questions, feel free to let me know. And that you're all having a great start to 2021, and hope that we keep this video series going. So enjoy your day, and we'll talk to you soon.